Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HTC Desire 628 and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So basically we have to open the keyboard, so it doesn't really matter where. It can be, for example, on messages. Just have keyboard on the screen. And now we have to enter the settings. As you can see here, we've got the icon of the settings on this comma key. But in order to enter it, we have to tap on it and hold it until we will see the settings icon here. So let's release the finger then and tap on keyboard selection. And as you can see here, we've got all available keyboards, all available languages from which we can choose. So basically all you have to do here is to simply find the language you'd like to set and tap on it. So let me pick, let's say, graphical, at least for me, language, and probably it is Greek one. So if you will find the language you'd like to set, just tap on it in order to mark it. Now we can simply go back to the keyboard. Let's tap on it, and as you can see, we've got new language key. New icon, new key, which is a language key, and it will allow us to change the keyboard. So right now I'm, let's say, typing English, but after tapping on this icon, I can switch to another language, probably Greek. So again, English. Alright, so this is how to add the language to a keyboard, and now let me show you how to remove it, because usually you do not need 2 or 3 different languages added. So let's enter the settings again. Now tap on keyboard selection, and as you can see right here, the keyboard which we've just chose has been moved to the top of the list. So all we have to do right now is to tap on it in order to untick it, and thanks to this, remove it from the keyboard. We've got right now only English applied. As you can see, we do not have the language key, so we can only type in English. So actually this is it. This is how to change keyboard language in your HTC Desire 628. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.